Once the onions are golden brown in color, we have to add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix, and then we are doing it on high flame. We also added the tomatoes. We'll let it cook for a few minutes. Now we are going to add the dry spices. If you don't have cumin powder in the beginning of the recipe, you can add cumin seeds to the oil and then add the chopped onions and then let them fry till golden brown. Or if you have the cumin powder, so add it at this point along with the red chili and salt and the turmeric powder. Let it cook. I'm going to just reduce the flame, cover it, and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes so the tomatoes and onions, they are all cooked together nicely. This is 2 to 4 tablespoons of water I have added. Yes. Now let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes until everything cooked together. Let's check. It's been cooking on medium-high flame with the cover on. See if it needs 2 spoons of water. Look at the masala. Don't let it burn or stick to the bottom of the wok or the pan or pot, whatever you're cooking in. So if you need 2 to 4 tablespoons or some water, please do add. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water and then cook it on medium-high flame uncovered. I want all the tomatoes to get tender and cook together with the onions and the spices nicely, forming a nice masala. Once the masala looks cooked together and nice, we're going to add this. Give it a good mix with the masala, and then we'll add water just gradually as needed. After adding the potatoes, I mixed it together and then added 1/3 baking cup of water, and now I'm going to reduce the flame to medium high and then cover the lid and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are done. So the flame is on medium high, the lid is on, and the timer will be for 10 to 12 minutes. Let's see you guys. While the potatoes are being cooked on medium to high flame, after 5 to 6 minutes, which is half time, we have to have a look. We have to check the consistency if they need any more water, and we have to just turn and potato pieces and then cover them again for the remaining time, which is 6 minutes on the same medium to high flame. So I had the concentrated tamarind with the concentrated imli. I got 1.5 teaspoonful of that, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water just to make it a little runny before adding it to the potatoes. Always add the lemon juice or the imli paste at the end, otherwise they make the process of cooking. So after 12 minutes, we have to finally check and see how the potatoes are doing. Potatoes looked really cooked. They are soft, but they're not breaking, and just the right amount of masala. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to garnish it, and before that we have to add the imli. If you don't have it, as I told you, you can also use the lemon juice. We have to add this, and then we also have to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, handful of coriander leaves, and then we have to add 3 to 4 red button chilies. I'm going to give it a mix and let it cook on simmer for 5 to 7 minutes with the lid cover If it needs a little bit water, if you think that the masala is sticking at the bottom of the pan or your pot, please add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna cover it once again and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. So this is the final look of the aloo ki katlian, and this is such a nice and easy recipe. If you don't like the taste or the color of the imli or the tamarind, you can easily omit it and add lemon juice at the very end according to your taste. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share these recipes and videos with your family and friends too. Till next time, take good care, stay healthy, and keep watching the videos. Take care. Goodbye. Today we have the masoor ki dal, these aloo and shami kebab along with rice and chapatis. You can have this recipe in the breakfast, for the lunch, or for dinner. They taste amazing. You can have it with the parathas or naan, or just like whatever the menu is. Today